So you want to create eye-catching rotating circular text for your intros, logos, or social media posts? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a rotating circular text animation in CapCut Mobile. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device and tap New Project. Select a video or image for your background or choose a plain color if you want the text to stand out. Tap Add to import it to the timeline. Now, tap Text and select Add Text. Enter the words you want to display. Then, open the text template options and search for circular text. Choose the rotating circular motion text template from the options that you want. You can adjust its speed using the slider below. Tap the check and it will be automatically added in your video. Once you're done, before exporting, preview your edit to check for adjustments. And that's how you create a rotating circular text animation in CapCut Mobile. Keep your creativity in motion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next edit. God bless.